Hello everybody, Zoltoks here, coming to you with another Sony Vegas tutorial. Today I'm going to step it up a notch and show you guys how to animate your clips with something called Keyframes, and this can help you build trailers. Can also help you do really good special effects. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to apply it to text, because that's going to be simple, but you can use your creativity and really mess around with this to create all sorts of things. So first I'm going to show you a little quick test that I just finished making this. I did it in like 10 seconds. It looks awful, but I'm just going to show you what animating can do. So here we go.
I am who I say I am.
Alright, so as you can see, that was very short and not really that well, but if you use your creativity, you could really create a better trailer with that. But this is also very helpful in creating all sorts of other things, but I'll show you that demonstration at the very end on something that took a little bit more time. I use this trick a lot to create fake disco scenes. But first I'm just going to show you guys how to use keyframes and how to animate the lights and how to just really make this trailer move. Okay, so I'm just going to start from scratch here. I'll keep this video because it's a demonstration at the very end. So what I have is to create a new text, you just right click right here in your timeline. You're going to make sure you have a video section ready. So just insert text media, and this is how you create I don't know, an intro or something. So we're just going to call it Zoltoks, just like last time. You can change your fonts here, and you can also change the size, which isn't too important considering you can do all sorts of other things, which I can show you. Alright, so here's the main important part. If you look, there's always this button called Animate. Now you could use animation here to animate the literal text, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to show you other kind of animations for other things. Alright, so say you want to animate those lights and blur. Really all you're going to need to do is open up your effects and search for radial blur and light rays. Now animation can work on any of these effects, so if you have anything else you want to do, feel free to do those. I'm just going to show you guys how to use keyframes. Click OK, and once again, if you look right here where it says animate, you'll notice that that's how we're going to start animating things. So let me show you what it looks like right now. This is the video playing. As you can see, there are no animations. It just is flat. So to create this, we're just going to start it out with, how about going from no blur to a lot of blur and then going back down. So we're going to click the animate button, and this button right here, sync cursor to media timeline. This is a very interesting thing. So if you ever want to say like you want to animate a clip right in the middle, so you would click right here, and if you notice this bar right here move. So let's say we want to stop the blur right here where I clicked on this timeline. This is called a keyframe. Anything between two keyframes is going to slowly change into that effect. So let me show you what I mean. We're going to click a keyframe, and we're going to make sure we have it selected, and we're going to put the strength to 0. We're going to go back over here and we're going to play the video. As you can see, the blur starts going down, but then it just stopped and came back. The reason why it's doing this is because of the keyframe. So let's make it more obvious. This is the beginning of your entire clip for the text. We're going to click the very beginning. We're going to boost the strength all the way. Like that. Now you're really going to tell the difference. See how it goes down and then stops? So say you want it to re-blur again. This is sync to the mouse, so we're going to click right here. You'll notice how it moved that. Add a keyframe, and we're just going to blur it all the way back up. So now it's going to go from super blurry to barely any blur, then back to super blurry. Alright, so here's light rays. You can do this with any effect. We'll do the same thing. Click Animate, Sync is already selected, and let's say we want the light rays to kind of bounce around the screen a lot. Well, at the very end, we're just gonna put these over here. We'll boost the strength so you can see it more. Just kind of drag them around. And I'm just clicking all over the place. And it's automatically creating new keyframes. You don't even have to click the new keyframe button. You just automatically change it as long as you have this down, and it'll create the keyframe. This is going to look hideous, but that's how you can do it. So now we click play. You see it's just all moving around. It's pretty cool. Now, since you guys know how to use animations, I'm going to show you what a little bit of creativity can do. If you use your creativity, you can even create a fake DJ, like this.
I need a medic for a person down. Dispatch firefighters in response to a 5-alarm fire.
Alright, if you guys noticed, this right here was moving. Now this was created a long time ago for one of my friend's projects, and he made an A on it, but because of the fake DJ. So that's just using the animations, using the exact same thing, except I used the color, and I used light rays, and I just created a fake DJ. Okay, so now since you guys know how to do it, create your own animations and really just show me what you can do. Alright, peace.